Hello, my friends. You're watching my channel on YouTube. I'm your host, Fateh Khan. So, today I have a very special treat for you guys. If you love mangoes, like back home, we love mangoes, but I am having a hard time finding good quality mangoes, especially in North America. But right now, I'm in Florida, Orlando, Florida. And this is a local fruit that I found. One of my Cuban friends recommended it. So this is the local fruit that grows here. We have many farms here, and you can buy it in good quantity. You can buy it in a farm vegetable market. So I consider this fruit just like sort of an avocado family fruit. It looks like an avocado but brown in color. You buy it from the market, and when you buy it, it's usually hard. It's usually unripe. You're supposed to keep it at home for a couple of days until it ripes, and then the way to tell that if it is ready, if it's ripe, you just press it with your thumb, and if it is soft, that means it's ready to eat. So I believe this is a little bit still hard, so this is not ready yet, but this one is pretty soft. You can see its color has changed a little bit, and you can see a little dimple. So this is pretty ripe to eat. So what you do, we cut it just like an avocado. It has a seed like avocado seed, but it's a different in color. So let's cut one open and see how it looks from inside. So let's cut this one open. All right. Wow, what a beautiful color, isn't it? I'm gonna take the seed out. So the seed is just like an avocado seed, and I'm just cleaning the stuff around the seed. It's an extra pulp or extra stuff that I really don't care for, and to me, it doesn't taste very good as the rest of the pulp. So I'm just cleaning. Basically, I'm just cleaning the fruit. It smells so good. Let's just scoop out the pulp. If the fruit is ripe, the pulp is gonna just come out so smoothly, so easily. So this is the shell. Here it is. So here we have the pulp from one mamey, and this is how the seed looks like. So let's make the smoothie now. In goes the pulp into our blender, and then a cup of ice and a cup of milk. You can use some sugar if you like. So let's blend it just for maybe half a minute or so. It doesn't take that long, depending upon the power of your blender. So I'm just gonna run it for maybe 20 seconds or so. Well, let's add some sugar also. You don't have to, but it just enhances the flavor a little bit. So I'm just gonna add 2 spoons of brown sugar. See, now our smoothie is ready. Look the beautiful color. It's look it's not pink, it's not orange. It's really unique color. It's beautiful. It's just you just wanna. It looks a typical tropical smoothie. Let's try it. It is so good. It's delicious. It tastes like a mixture of mango, carrot, probably a little texture, little hint of apple. So it has a very unique flavor. You gotta try it. You gotta try it. If you have access to any um, Caribbean vegetable markets. Usually, the Caribbean markets carry this fruit. I've been, you know, having this fruit for almost a year now, ever since I somebody recommended it to me. So I am very sure you're gonna love it too. So this is probably, like I said before, this is probably the second best thing to a Pakistani mango. We all love Pakistani mangoes, but it's very difficult to find good mangoes here. But this is beautiful. This is delicious. You try it. That's all I can say. It's delicious. It's healthy. It's delicious. All right, enjoy it.